wearing my work shirt. She's wearing pajamas.
Pajamas.
Which she probably didn't want you to know, but I just told you.
Yeah,
Thanks. You're welcome.
you're the best.
But you still look cute. I
Okay,
look like I
stop
just
it,
got off of work.
Shut up! You always
I
look
literally
cute.
just got off of work and I'm sick.
Like and
So I'm
subscribe
grateful.
if you think we both look amazing.
So there's this thing called HelloFresh, and we started trying to figure it out, and we figured out we don't know how to do it, so we thought it'd be funny to film it.
So we're gonna make Sriracha Lime Cheeseburgers, and the oven's preheated.
We don't know what any of these words mean, so, and this is not planned.
Cheeseburger.
Prep.
Metal.
Wash and dry. Let me wash my hands again. I was forgetting that. I do it on camera so people know I'm not dirty.
This is all for you guys.
You three pickles.
Hey Monica. Hey Isaac.
Hey Monica. Thank you for your reference for HelloFresh. Oh, look, here's a picture of what it should look like. Cut potatoes into 1/2 inch thick wedges.
All right, so do the potatoes first.
That's gonna be your job. I'm gonna move on to tomatoes. Thinly sliced tomato.
The cool thing about this is there are pre-measured packets of like whatever you need, which is pretty cool. So they give us all the vegetables.
That looks thinly sliced.
They gave us sour cream, sriracha. Look how cute this is.
Aww.
You said off. You said off. Before. I'm tired. Look how cute it looks like a little bottle. Ta-da! And another packet of sour cream. And un lim.
Liam.
Liam.
Okay, so I cut the tomato. You have to half and peel. You can do this.
Okay, you're making me do all these things.
Fine, I'll do the onion.
All right, we'll
Okay.
move over so I can do the potatoes. Potatoes, fun fact, are my favorite food. I like your sound effect. Oh, you can do it over here. You're just making space.
You
so
said, oh,
they
I
can
thought you
see.
meant.
How do you cut a wedge?
I think that's what they're supposed to look like. This is a wedge.
I think. Oh, I got it. I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
That's why I let you do it. All right, I'm supposed to half and peel onion.
That looks like a wedge.
So do I peel it first or do I half it first? It says half
Half?
and peel, so I'm gonna half it first. I'm gonna half this way.
Did you cut yourself? Are you serious right now?
No, I'm good.
Oh my gosh! Say hello, fresh wound.
Okay, a cool video. I should have cut myself.
Is that what the cool kids say? Oh my gosh!
No,
I'm
didn't
gonna
cut
do that.
myself.
You should not have a
You
knife.
should have done that.
You need a non-serrated knife.
Thinly slice 1/2. What? I think I sliced it the wrong way.
That's good.
Maybe not.
Did you peel it?
Yeah. Wait, am I supposed to peel more? Is there more to that?
No.
Took off
Just the outside layer.
Onions have layers.
Ogres have layers. That was good. That was so good.
It was better than mine. I don't know if I'd give you good.
Okay, actually, there's a lot of potato wedges out of this.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly.
It does actually look like wedges. I'm impressed. How'd you do it?
So you half it, and then you cut it into thirds. I'm wondering if they can see this. So I cut it in half, and then I cut it into 3 pieces, and it comes out looking like a potato wedge. Great remaining half.
That's great.
Oh, you have to.
Do we have a grate?
Yeah. Nope. That's okay.
You
Just
don't-
chop it. Sorry, grating, chop. It's all the same. Zest.
Is it?
How do we zest?
Oh, that's when you.
Okay, where do we have a zester? Do we have a zester?
I don't think it's called a zester.
What is it called?
I don't know. Well, let's start roasting the potatoes. Toss potatoes on a baking sheet with a large drizzle of. Okay, I was asking this earlier. What is roast?
Roast means you just stick it in the oven. Roast in oven. So it's tossed, and then you just stick it in the oven.
Toss. Oh, it is called a zester. You're so smart.
Yes! I mean zest!
So toss.
This is easy.
Yeah! With a large drizzle of olive oil. Large drizzle. Can I just spray it?
Yeah, just kind of. Yeah, good enough. Right here. Perfect.
This is large. Alright. Okay, I think that's enough. People who actually know how to cook, they're just like, no.
I don't think this is working.
I don't think a zester's the same as a grater.
It's not.
We should Google what a. Nope, we're just gonna figure it out. Half the fry seasoning. Okay. We use the rest later.
I'm glad you read that. I would put the whole thing on there.
I've never made fries before. Have you?
Not that weren't frozen. So, if anybody's looking for a Christmas present for us, apparently we need a zester.
Oh, I still need an apron. This is still the only one I have.
That's true. Katie does need an apron.
Need an apron. I have one.
Katie would like an apron.
I would like an apron.
No, this grater's amazing.
Can we put the onions in that thing? Oh.
Yeah. Put anything. Okay. You have that much! Look at Katie not using measurements! I'm so proud of you. 25 minutes.
Until bronzed and tender.
So this is a really fun tool. It is called a salad
what's
shooter.
our thing for the fun cooking tool of the show? Can we put it in here? In here? And then this?
Where do we put it? Right here. Apparently, this is the juicing section of our show. Maybe it does only work on cheese. Mom? There it all is. It's fine. It's fine. Good enough.
Toss together sliced onion. Just imagine people who can cook watching this.
I know.
You mean the
I'm
three
sorry.
Sorry, Monica. Toss together sliced onion, juice from 3 lime wedges.
Juice from 3 lime wedges, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Set aside to pickle, tossing occasionally.
What? Pickle is a vegetable, and pickling is when you like pickled vegetables.
When you put it in vinegar.
Pickled pickles.
Yes.
4 teaspoons sugar. Oh, pinch of salt and pepper. Pepper. Salt. A little more pepper. Come on. Here we go. My parents recently moved to Boise, Idaho, so for Thanksgiving I went to visit them. And every year they do this annual, forget what it's called, but you go and you wait in line and you get to pick out a bowl that people who are in need, like homeless people or like children, like orphans or other groups like that, I'm not telling you very well. They make these bowls, you buy the bowls for $10 and then they give you free soup, and the community comes together to support these local charities on Thanksgiving, and so it's really neat. So I picked out this one because that was funny. It says Boise, but at the end the E is backwards and capitalized, so it's like Boise.
Alright, sour cream.
All the sour cream?
Let's see. Sour cream, 4 tablespoons. Alright. All of those. And zest.
How much zest is it nice?
All of that. Because that's what we've got. Good enough. Salt, pepper, sour cream, lime zest, sugar, and juice from the remaining lime quarter. Add a teaspoon of water. In a large bowl, mix beef, grated onion, and remaining fry seasoning. Using your hands, gently shake mixture into 2 evenly sized knives. Can I do that? So they also send you like a frozen thing that you can have like whatever meat it is for the actual meal.
And remaining fry seasoning.
Alright.
All this.
Alright.
That worked out.
I love this part.
I swear I thought you still hated it when you're making ground beef. It's like fixing brains. I know, it's so fun. Heat a large drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium.
Okay. Salt and pepper at the top of this. Salt and pepper at the top of it. 4 minutes on one side, flip, and top with cheese. The trick with this is not to cut all the way through to your hand. You flip it upside down and then finish cutting. Did you know that?
What?
I'm so excited we made burgers!
We did make burgers.
And fries. Oh, those are good actually. Sriracha Lime Burgers, and we have our roasted potatoes. And we'll do kind of like a close-up shot. So we're gonna eat these and enjoy them, and we hope you enjoyed us making this HelloFresh meal. All right, well, HelloFresh, thanks so much.
Thank you, Monica, for giving us a free trial.
Yeah, thanks, Monica. You're awesome.
Thank you, audience, for dealing with me being sick and getting off of work.
And me
spontaneity.
being in pajamas. And
Still cute.
comment below what the most awkward moment of this video was.
Comment below if you know how to cook and what made you cringe.
Yes.
Hashtag let's eat.
Okay, you have to do your thing.
Let's pray. Oh yeah.
And I have to
All
do
right.
my thing. Okay, bye.